In this tutorial, we will learn about calling a function with keyword arguments in Python. We will cover what a keyword argument is, the difference between positional arguments and keyword arguments, and why you would use keyword arguments. Here we have a function called greet that takes two arguments, name and greeting. We use the print statement to output a personalized greeting message. Here we are calling the greet function with positional arguments. We pass in the name Alice as the first argument and hello as the second argument. The output is hello, Alice. Here we are calling the greet function with keyword arguments. We pass in the argument name as Bob and the argument greeting as hi. The order of the arguments does not matter when using keyword arguments. The output is hi, Bob. Here we are calling the greet function with a mix of positional and keyword arguments. We pass in the name Carol as a positional argument and the greeting hey as a keyword argument. The output is hey, Carol. Remember, when we call a function with a mix of positional and keyword arguments, the positional arguments must come before the keyword argument. In conclusion, keyword arguments allow us to specify arguments by name, which can make our code more readable and easier to understand. They also allow us to pass in arguments in any order we choose.